Healthcare Conference 2025 brought together over 700 participants, both in person and online, from across academia, healthcare, industry, startups, and leading corporations. With thought-provoking discussions and meaningful collaborations, the conference created an environment where AI's role in healthcare was explored from every angle. Beyond the sessions, attendees connected over great meals and exclusive networking opportunities, building relationships that will shape the future of AI in medicine. This was more than just a conference. It was a space where expertise, ideas, and innovation converged to drive real impact in AI and healthcare. AI in healthcare is evolving fast, and this is just the beginning. See you next year at the AI in Healthcare Conference 2026.